it's a sheep spine. This would be the corpus callosum. That's right here. This whole cavity here is a lateral ventricle, and this little squishy thing here, that's a membrane septum lucidum. So this is the fornix. That's the fornix. This area here is the thalamus. If we look on this brain here, that's this part. This is the thalamus, and this is the epithalamus. Okay. So then, let's see. Little squishy thing. This would be considered the third ventricle, and then you'd have the cord plexus in there, which secretes the cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, so then the area under the thalamus here, that's the hypothalamus, and this would be the optic chiasma. I think on your model, it's like we can see it better. So this area here, if this would be the thalamus and this epithalamus, this area here would be the cerebral aqueduct, and this would be the what's that T word?
It's part of the epithalamus.
Tectum.
The tectum.
And that's the back wall.
That's the dorsal part of the aqueduct. This is the cerebellum. This is the arbor vitae.
Remember to point out the fourth ventricle?
Where's that?
Right there underneath the arbor.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So this would be the fourth ventricle here.
Yeah, down there. That's the fourth ventricle.
All right. So that's
sheep brain.
The sheep brain cut.
Longitudinal.
It would be sagittal.
Well, sagittal, down the longitudinal fissure.
Okay. So then this is the midbrain, pons, and medulla.
Yeah.
This is your brain. So.
Don't play with your brains, kids.
So this would be the posterior part of the brain. And these four structures here together make the quadra. Wait, what is it? Corpora quadrigemina. The corpora quadrigemina, meaning four twins. Alright, so the superior caliculi are bigger relative to the inferior caliculi, and the reason is that because they're prey,
and they need to see.
They need a better sense of perception against predators. I'm sorry. All right. So
let's break it down with the fishes and the gyrus and the.
So this is a longitudinal fissure. This is a transverse fissure. I guess these would be the gyri.
Yeah, those are the gyres. Then you have a post-central.
Yeah, you have a. Can't really tell on here, but you have a central sulcus. And then you have a pre-central gyri.
And a post-central gyri.
And this would be the frontal.
Parietal.
temporal, and occipital.
Yes.
Okay, so here we have the ventral part of the brain. You really can't see it here, but this would be the optic, no, the olfactory. This would be the olfactory.
Yeah, the olfactory.
The olfactory bulb, and this would be the
The olfactory tract.
this right here, although it's cut off, that's the optic chiasma.
Yeah.
This right here
Oh, the
will be
optic
the optic nerve,
nerve.
and it's the optic
Optic
tract.
tract.
And then here, this would be the where is it again? This is a
And the ones up here is the first nerve. These are the second nerves.
yeah, and this is the third nerve. This is the ocular motor.
Yeah.
The ocular motor.
Motor.
And then the fifth one would be here.
Yeah, but it got cut off
But they got
into
cut
the
off,
derma
and-
mater.
Yeah, and the dura mater.
And what was the name of that one?
And that was trigeminal.
Yeah.
Trigeminal.
Yeah, it was trigeminal.
All right. So that's on the ventral part. This was here. These were part of the optic. No, the trigeminal. It's a part of the trigeminal. This is the dura mater.
Yeah, that's the derma mater.
And this was like this. And this would be the pituitary gland. And the infundibulum would have been like under there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did we miss any? Oh, what about the mammary body?
The mammary body would be this.
Yeah.
And the sheep only have one as opposed to human, they have two.
Two.
This here would be the. Give me a sec. Well, we have to remember that the mammary body is part of the hypothalamus, so that would be the hypothalamus.
Yeah.
So that under the mammary body would be the hypothalamus.
Okay.
Okay.
We did the longitudinal fissure, the cerebral. Remember the cerebral cortex? That's what really got me on my picture of drawing that. But I can't remember the names of them.
The cerebral the cortex.
Yeah, I can't remember the names of them.
Wouldn't it be just
Give you like this right here, A. All these are cerebral cortex.
yeah? All this right here, all the gray matter.
Yeah.
We the cerebral cortex.
And then we did gyrus, we did the sulcus, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, transverse, vermis.
The vermis, if you were to look here, it's pretty much dividing the cerebellum hemisphere.
Okay.
On here, I don't think you can really
See it.
but it would be
Dividing the.
here.
Okay, yeah.
That would be the vermis. So, or here.
Damn bicycle.
I don't really. But it's in a cerebellum.
And the cerebellar hemisphere
The cerebellar hemisphere is
was
this.
outside the
Yeah.
arbor
Vitae,
vita.
the tree of life.
The tree, yeah. Like on
Lion King.
no, the soul. It was the Souls of tree on the Blue People.
Let's see what else.
Superior and inferior colliculi.
We already
That was the
baby's
yeah,
butt.
the baby's bottom.
So that's
And
there.
we discussed everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have everything. And the penile body, I forgot which one was the inside, right?
The penile body is actually part of the epithalamus.
Yeah,
So that's the peanut
peanut
body.
body right there. But they said that they have a bigger one, right?
They have a bigger one.
Than what we have. Okay. I think that's it. That's our brain.
Yes.